Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how you can code your Carver for the pumpkin Carver project. Okay, so right now when I press the green flag, the thumbnail goes away and nothing happens. So what I want to make the Carver do is when I press the green flag, I want to make it so that the Carver actually follows the mouse around so you can control it with your mouse. So to do that, we're going to forever add a motion block and just simply make it go to the mouse pointer. Now when I press the green flag, I have a Carver that I can control with my mouse. Awesome. Now, the thing that I want you to do next, because this code was super easy, is I want you to experiment with adding in pen blocks to make it so that you can carve your pumpkin. So for instance, if you click down with your mouse, then you'll put your pen down and maybe start carving. And then when you let go of the mouse, then it'll stop carving your pumpkin. So to add in the pen blocks, just remember that you can go to the add extension and click on the one that says pen. And now you have all these different blocks that you can experiment with. So again, add in the 3 simple blocks like this to make it so that your Carver will follow your mouse, and then experiment with using these different blocks to make it so that you can code your pumpkin Carver project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.